Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a butterfly-themed cake. Let's get started. I started out frosting a 6-inch cake dummy with vegan American buttercream. I cleaned up the cake board. Then I rolled out some light blue fondant, and I am following this template I printed out. Then I used some black fondant to make the body of the butterfly. Then I rolled out some more light blue fondant and used a couple sizes of butterfly plunger cutters to make a whole bunch of butterflies. Then I did the same thing out of pink fondant. And light purple fondant. And I used edible glue to stick them to the side of the cake. Finally, I painted black food coloring onto the large butterfly to make it look more like a real butterfly. And I added black food coloring to the butterflies on the side to make the bodies of the butterflies. I love this cake. The big butterfly really looks like a butterfly. It's so pretty, and the flock of butterflies on the side are gorgeous. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Support us on Patreon and hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.